So from the media library inside of wordpress.com, what you can also do is do some basic photo editing to get the photos looking the way you like. So over here, if I were to go around and click on this particular image right here, then I have an option to edit this, as you can see right here. Of course, I can go ahead and edit out the description and titles right here, but I can also go around onto edit image, and then I got basic editing options, as you can see right here. So let's say, for example, if I want to rotate, I can rotate out the image by clicking on the rotate button right here. I can also go ahead and crop it to, let's say, for example, square or original right here, and then utilize these handle right here to crop out how I like. So I can choose the aspect ratio and crop it out according to how I want. I can also go ahead and flip it right here, just like this. So let's just go around over here and you can flip out the image, as you can see right here, just like this. So you can do some basic editing right here, just like this, and press done, and the photo is edited just like that. And if you were to go ahead and import this particular photo out now, then what will happen is that it'll show up like this. And this is how you can do that. But if you want the original photo again, you can simply click on Restore Original, then you got the original photo once more without any changes again. And that is how you can rotate, crop, and flip image and do some basic editing towards photos inside of media library of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.